What if I told you could increase your energy, learn to eat healthier, reset your body, and lose 5 to 10 pounds, like some of the awesome people you're about to meet shortly, all in just 7 days? Let me tell you exactly how. It's called the Blender Cleanse, and it's a 7-day nutritionist-approved program that can help you lose 5 pounds or more, flush away harmful toxins and reduce inflammation, increase your energy levels, improve digestion and elimination, shed belly fat, and keep it off. With the Blender Cleanse, you will learn how to use your blender to prepare nutritious meals that melt away fat and flatten your belly, all without starvation or restriction. No severe detox symptoms, no crazy food cravings, or extensive meal planning. On the Blender Cleanse, you'll eat delicious, nourishing meals and drink healthy juices and smoothies that will help you feel and look your absolute best, and all it takes is 7 days. Here's what people are saying about the Blender Cleanse. Samantha V said, "I have been doing the Blender Cleanse 1 to 2 times a year for the past few years. I just finished my 4th round and I lost 7 pounds. I feel cleansed and refreshed with so much energy. And no cravings for things I used to feel I needed daily, like coffee." Kay Armenitis said, "I lost 13 pounds on the Blender Cleanse. And I dropped 37 points in total cholesterol and 187 points from my triglycerides. Plus, my liver functions have improved." Alicia D said, "I am blown away at my results. I lost 5 pounds and dropped 3 inches off my hips and waist. I never felt hungry and the recipes were easy to prepare and delicious." You will finally get results on the Blender Cleanse because it works. If you failed at other cleanses in the past, or maybe you've been too afraid to try one, you might be thinking to yourself, "This isn't going to work for me," or "I won't be able to follow through and finish it." So in addition to all the amazing things you'll receive with this program, which I'll get to shortly, I am so excited to include one-on-one coaching with me, the creator of the Blender Cleanse. I will personally work with you to make sure you get the most out of your experience, which is something you probably won't find anywhere else. I know because I've been there. I've tried many cleanses and I failed at every single one of them. I either experienced severe detox symptoms, I was starving, I was hangry, and I also didn't have any support. That's why I created this program and I know it works. So what makes the Blender Cleanse so effective? Well, because it's not a crazy juice fast. You will be eating real food and never feel starved. The program consists of 2 phases. Phase 1 is the prep phase and lasts 5 days. During this phase, you will be slowly eliminating foods that cause inflammation and digestive trouble. You'll also be eating plenty of nutritious meals and drinking lots of delicious juices and smoothies. Then in phase 2, which is your cleansing and detox phase and lasts between 2 to 5 days, this is when your body will be doing most of the heavy work. You'll use your blender to make nutrient-dense, fiber-rich whole food juices that eliminate toxins and excess body fat so you can achieve your goals. The Blender Cleanse is a 7-day program that is designed to help you create a healthy lifestyle habit of using your blender daily to feed your body more metabolism-boosting whole foods so you can drop excess pounds. With your purchase of the Blender Cleanse, you will receive a non-seasonal 5-day meal plan, which includes 3 meals and 2 snacks each day, a detailed shopping list, 100% gluten-free recipes with macros and nutrition, the juice detox recipes and shopping list, the elimination schedule, an allowed and not allowed foods lists, daily videos and email guidance, and access to 1 live group challenge and support group. I have also included the following bonuses to maximize your results. Bonus 1 is a 10-minute guided meditation to set your intention for the day. Bonus 2 is a quick booty workout that you can do anytime and anywhere. Bonuses 1 and 2 are hosted by our very own Elise Joan. Blender Babe Elise is a wellness expert and Beachbody super trainer who has been seen on E, Extra, and ABC. Bonus number 3 is a super informative Q&A with Peggy K, Blender Babe's go-to nutritionist and author of the highly acclaimed book, Kitchen Cures. And of course, you will also receive one-on-one personal coaching with me. Whether you want to get back on track or just need to lose weight quickly, the Blender Cleanse, 3 bonuses, plus one-on-one support with me can all be yours today when you click the link below. And you have nothing to lose. If you're not happy or completely satisfied, with my 60-day money-back guarantee, I'll give you a full refund. So as you can see, all the risk is on me. Are you ready to get started? You don't have to be frustrated with your weight or feel uncomfortable in your clothes. The Blender Cleanse can help you eat better, lose weight, and live healthier. The smart way. If you're ready to make a lifestyle change, feel good about yourself again, or simply get back into your favorite jeans, the Blender Cleanse can help you change your life. So click the button below and let's get started.